Hello, my name is Sheyi Fabi. I'm the CEO of Center for Human Settlement and Sustainable Development, a national NGO with one of our mandate area in climate change and nature-based solutions. So I want to talk today about our project in Ilaje local government, specifically in Araromi Beach, Zion Pepe, and Benin. The team, the title of the project is Women-Led Mangrove Landscape Restoration and Reactivation of Ecosystem Services in the coastal area. Over the years, the overharvesting of mangrove resources and the depletion of the biodiversity resources in the coastal area has really put women on the edge because they do not have the capacity to go to the high sea for fishing, so they are constrained to the creeks to fish and to look for the resources. And then the overexploitation of the mangrove resources has led to salt marsh, which is very weak in supporting the biodiversity ecosystem in the area. So what the project is meant to do is to restore 100 hectares of salt marsh, degraded mangrove area, to boisterous and nutritious mangrove ecosystem. And we also plan to reactivate the biodiversity resources in the area. So it has three components. Component one is to build the capacities of the women in the area on how to mobilize mangrove seedlings and also to plant and care and manage mangroves. So we have made contact with the village community leaders and also the women groups, and we have secured the land to plan to restore the mangrove. And we have also gotten the buy-in of the community to allow the mangrove to grow and change the ecosystem entirely. The second component of the project is to introduce floating cages to women groups, women cooperatives in the area, so that they can have fish pond that are in floating cages in the creeks. And then we plan to give them fingerlings and some of the bioresources they can use to raise fish, and then they'll be able to improve their economy, and so that they will not continue to depend on the ecosystem, to overexploitation of the ecosystem in order to raise resources for their family. And then we also discuss the third component is production. We are going to build the capacity of the women on how to produce biomass briquettes from the mangrove leaves and also some of the agro residues, so that instead of cutting down mangroves to make firewood for the fish processing, because the majority of the energy they needed in the coastal region is to process their fish, and then in order to process their fish, they have to cut down the remaining mangrove trees to provide to smoke their fishes. So what we are trying, the third component of the third leg of the project is to train them and build the capacity on how to produce biomass briquettes, and so that they can supply the biomass energy for their fish processing. So this project we have initiated it, we have commenced, and then we have gotten the buy-in of the state government. We have the letter of support from the Ministry of Agriculture, from the Honorable Commissioner, from Ministry of Agriculture and Natural Resources, and also we've gotten the buy-in of the local government management and also the community leaders in those areas. and we have uh, we have we have sourced the local fabricator that can help us get the floating fish cages to be done in the local area so that we can introduce it into the area. So these are some of the things we have done. We are hoping that as we are looking for SGP to give us to support us to continue the good work that we have started, and we believe that in the next 2 years, those three communities that we want to work on, that we are currently working